In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text and adjust line spacing in Microsoft PowerPoint. This guide will help you ensure that your presentations look professional and neatly organized. Let's get started by opening up PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've done that, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work on. This is where we begin the process of making your slides look clean and well aligned. Next, identify the text box or the portion of text that needs adjusting. Simply click on the text to select it. You'll notice that once the text is selected, you have several formatting options readily available. With the text selected, move to the menu at the top of the screen and click on the Home tab. This is your primary hub for text formatting in PowerPoint, allowing you to access a range of options from fonts to paragraph settings. Within the Home tab, look carefully at the paragraph section. Here you have the opportunity to adjust the alignment of your text. PowerPoint offers a few different alignment choices such as left, center, right, or justified. For our example, we'll focus on using the Align Center option. Centering text is especially useful for titles or when you want to create a balanced appearance on your slide. Simply click on the Align Center button and you'll see your text move to the center of the text box. Now that your text is aligned the way you desire, let's move on to line spacing. With your text still selected, locate the line spacing icon in the same paragraph section of the Home tab. When you click on it, you'll see several line spacing options that let you choose how tightly or loosely your lines of text are spaced. For more specific adjustments, select the line spacing options at the bottom of the list. This opens a dialog box where you can fine-tune the spacing to your specific needs. Here, you'll have the flexibility to add or remove spacing between lines and even within paragraphs, giving your slide a polished, tailored look. Adjusting both the alignment and the line spacing according to your presentation's needs can significantly improve readability and aesthetic appeal. When satisfied with the adjustments, take a moment to review the slide. Ensuring that your formatting is consistent across all your slides is key to maintaining a professional presentation. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to align text and adjust line spacing in Microsoft PowerPoint, allowing you to create clean, professional presentations with ease. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Microsoft PowerPoint tips and tricks.